Hey guys, I'm going to be counting the $1 saving challenge. If you want to know how much Mrs Vee saves, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I see that I have a lot of new supporters, so I want to introduce myself. Welcome. I am Mrs Vee. I am married, but this is a solo journey. This is a journey of myself getting my finances our finances together so that I can retire early. And retire early meaning work from home, do some things that I enjoy doing at an early age. And so my husband and I were on a journey together to get out of debt. But now that we're mostly debt free, this is part of my journey that I'm sharing on YouTube. So if you want some motivation for simple ways to save money and ways to crush your goals, I am very real on this channel. I show you highs and lows. And so I just show you real life. And the purpose of me sharing my journey is to keep myself accountable and also to motivate some of you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So I was going to count these $1 bills at the end of the year, but I got a couple of things going on. And so that I don't get overwhelmed at the end of the year, because the end of the year, New Year's Eve is like my husband's birthday and we're going out of town. And plus, I got some more things going on during the month of December, so I thought it would be best to go ahead and count this money and get this money in the bank. I originally was saving this money to go towards my mortgage, but some things have happened since I started the journey, and I think I'm just going to put this money in my buffer. Number one, because if you're not familiar, I'm a registered respiratory therapist, and I work a traveling assignment. And like the end of the last week in November and the first week in December, I took those 2 weeks off because they left me off the schedule because they were negotiating, pretty much trying to get me to go full time. So I turned down the full time offer, and so they asked me would I do another contract. I told them I would do another contract. And then I would potentially think about going full time, but the offer that they gave me, I turned it down. So in essence, I didn't have any days. So I told them that's a good time for me to take a break. So by me taking a break, I did not get a check. And so I have a PRN job that I still go to. I went and worked 3 days there. Thank God I still have that. And so I will have some money coming in, but significantly less amount than what I normally have. So I'm going to add this to that checks instead of paying off the mortgage. The thing about goals is if you need the money now, you can allocate the money wherever you need it. You can have whatever intentions you have with the money, but life will say something different sometime, and I'm fine with that. It's a bummer that you save money for a certain goal, but you have to use it for something else. But I'm grateful enough, and this cash envelope system has taught me to be grateful that you have the money at all. Because if I didn't have this money and then the zero out challenge money, I would have had to go into my 1 month sinking fund. And I prefer not to do that. I'd rather use this money because I have some more money that I could use to pay towards the mortgage. So, there's all kind of ways to do it. That's why it's called personal finance. So I want to show you that part of the journey, that just because you set a goal for something, you may not be able to use it for that goal. So we're going to use this $1 challenge money to go towards my buffer. The money that my paycheck, it's enough to cover the bills that we have due this month, but we like to keep a certain amount in the buffer because remember, my husband is not on this part of the journey, so we have to keep enough money in the bank for gas, food, any kind of mishaps. We have things that we may not have a sinking fund for, so we like to keep a certain amount in the bank. So I thought it would be best to go ahead and put this in there. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and count. This would have been money for the challenge for this week, but I'm just going to forego any more challenge videos to 2023. Yeah, so here we go. So the top just lifts off. It's a lock box. If you're interested in this box, you can pick it up down below in my Amazon storefront. So let's see. Oh, Oh, did not fall over. Yay. So that's good. So we're going to go ahead and put these in stacks, and we're going to count. Now I see why beautifully me and you don't like ones and black and blue shoot. It's too many of them, and this is not a whole lot, and I'm complaining. So yeah, so we're going to go ahead and count this money. How much you think I have? I think my husband gave a guess. I'm going to say, I think it's about 115. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm putting it in piles of 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Why this pile don't look as thick as the rest of them? There must be some new bills right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's going to be more than 115. I don't know what I was thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we're going to do it like this. I ain't got no room. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 100. So I'm just going to go and count the rest of this. 100. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. So we have 163. $64, $65, $66, $67, $68, $69, $70, $71, $72, $73, $74, $75, $76, $77, $78, $79, $80, $81, $82, $83, $84, $85, $86, $87, $88, $89, $90, $91, $92, $93, $94, $95, $96, $97, $98, $99, $201. So that's what we have with the $1 challenge. So that's great just to save all your ones. And I just started, well, I started this almost 6 months ago. So I think that's great for $1 bills. So I'm going to get this money put in the bank. So yeah, like I said, you may have plans for your goals, for your saving challenge, but you can't. Sometimes life just tell you something different. So yeah. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.